The hell you doing out your cage, homie? Oh, you're scaring me, man. I thought you were dead. What the hell are you doing in here? You do not belong in here. And you do belong in there. You don't belong in there, but I'm gonna put you in there. What's up, player? You stuck in the maze and heat? It's okay. There you go. What's up, players? Everybody, look at Skeletor. Eat Skeletor's getting better. Our burn victim. It's a tragic accident. I don't like talking about it. Breaks my heart just thinking about it right now. It's too much. Look at our turkey. What's up, Turk? What's up, Turquito? Coolito? Piquito? What you talking about, Wiz? We got them babies on point. We got them Indica gigantus, biggest chicken in the Wizzle. We got every kind of chicken in the Wizzle. Very rare, very rare. Whew, we got babies on point, babies on point, babies on point. Babies hatching tonight. We just put some new ones in, just took the old ones out. These are stragglers that just didn't want to hatch like the rest. They need a little bit more time to cook, so we gonna let them cook. This guy, I don't know, he's stuck to the side or something. He's got a brother in there that's stuck to the ground, ain't strong enough to walk. Maybe he wasn't ready to come out, I don't know. Then this little guy, he likes to hide in the corners. So, I think this might be one of these guys that hatched. See, look where? There he is. You wanna come out? I'll let you and your homie out. Y'all wanna join the rest, or y'all wanna chill for a little while? There's water right there. Don't drown in it. Alright, it's 2 in the morning. I'm gonna put water and feed in all these brooders. I'm gonna go check on my chickens, and then I'm gonna get up at 8 and start it all over again. God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace.